us next Tuesday, July 14th, and learn professional hibachi cooking skills. It's fun and interactive.
Take a break from your busy day and join us for our hibachi masterclass. Learn some new tricks from our expert himself, Bruce.
DFW Healthcare Foodies. We're here at V&A Kitchen, the home of Meals on Wheels. Tuesday, July the 14th. Make sure you get your spot.
It's from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Seats are limited. Join us at the V&A.
Bringing you some master classes on different events with different chefs. So follow us on Facebook. Thank you, Chef Bruce.
We got the first taste of it.
Hibachi night.
See you soon.